So hello guys, so I know a lot of you might have this question in your minds that how prevalent is the drug and ragging culture at Thapar University. So that's why I decided to make this video in order to clear all your doubts. So my name is Himanshu and I welcome you to my channel Astro by Himanshu. So let's just start. So guys, if we talk about the state of Punjab, of course the drug things are not much great there, and yes, there's a lot of problems going on there, but it doesn't mean that all the colleges in Punjab have this problem of drug, and it's just a misconception. So that's why I wanted to clear it. So of course, when you see the reviews of Thapar University at YouTube, in most of the videos people would say about drug culture in Thapar, and of course they also put these things in the thumbnail so as to maybe attract attention or just tell about it. But the reality is that of course there are always good people and bad people, always there are good things and bad things. Not everything will be good at every place, and same with the bad. So it's not great. So it's not right to make a general perception about Harvard University that there is a drug culture there or ragging culture there. So if we talk about ragging, it's just an old thing, it doesn't exist anymore. And when we were there at orientation, they told us that Thapar hasn't seen a single case of ragging in the last 20 years, which is great, and which might be same for most of the colleges because they have strict rules. Because now everyone has strict rules regarding these things, and it's just an old history of 30-40 years when it used to happen at peak. So it's just in history that these things were regarded as problems back 20 or 30 years, but now it's all removed and there is no such thing as ragging, and it's completely safe. So not just about Thapar University, but at most of the colleges it's just safe. So yes, there is nothing as ragging there, so you don't have to worry about it. So now let's just talk about the drug problem. So basically, every college has this problem, not just about Thapar University, but if you go to top institutions as well, if we talk about IIT Bombay as well, there are cases of drug abuse there as well. So every place is not completely clean. There are some bad things going on there, but this doesn't mean that you have to create a perception about it. So talking about the Thapar University, there are strict rules about drug abuse and all the alcohol abuse and all that. So of course a lot of students have been expelled in the past in the cases due to violation of these rules and policies regarding drug and alcohol abuse. So yeah, it's an illegal offense there. Of course there are some people who do these things, but no one will show you in public, and no one can force you or no one will force you, and it doesn't mean anything because almost all of the people are friendly in the Thapar. And when I was also there at college, I didn't find anyone doing these things in public, or maybe I heard that some people used to do it in the past, our seniors, because when we went to the college, when we were when we were getting our rooms cleaned, in some of the rooms cigarette butts have been found, but they were quite old, maybe 1 or 2 years, because the hostel was closed. Yes, our hostel wardens are also told that cases were there and they were straight away expelled from the college. So that was it. There is strict policy in Thapar about drug and alcohol abuse, so you cannot just do it. And there are very few people who are engaged in these activities, and of course they have to bear the consequences as well. So you don't have to worry about it, and it's just a myth because Thapar is there in state of Punjab. So maybe that's why people have a perception that there is much drug abuse in Thapar as compared to other colleges, but it's not true. There are strict policies, and yeah, Thapar is a lovely place, everyone is friendly, and college life is also awesome there. So I also, although I just lived 1 month there, but yes, I enjoyed the best moments of my life. So that's what I wanted to say in this video about the misconceptions about drug policy and drug abuse things at Thapar. So hope this video helped you in clearing the misconceptions, and if you like this video, just do share and do hit the subscribe button, and do share your comments as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Also, you can follow me on Instagram as well. I just share the latest details about upcoming videos there, and also other content related things apart from YouTube. And also you can just follow me on Twitter as well. There I also share useful content apart from YouTube, so you can just follow that. The links are there in description, so you can just follow there. Thank you very much.